Want to tweak what your kid can watch on Netflix, or maybe block a specific show or lock a profile so they can't switch to an adult profile? In this quick guide, I'll show you how you can change the parental control settings on Netflix from your iPhone. Let's do it right now. First up, on your iPhone, open the Netflix app. Tap any profile. Tap the profile icon in the right side labeled My Netflix. Now tap the 3-line icon in the top right. Select Account. This will open Netflix's account page. Now under the profile section, you will see Adjust Parental Control option. Tap on it. Now choose a verification method to verify it's you who's logging into parental controls. After that, you will see the profile maturity rating for Netflix. There are multiple options. First is All, which, as the name suggests, allows only the most safest content to be accessible. Then you have 7+ rating or 10+ rating, which gives you the access to only shows and movies rated in that level. And finally, there's the 18+ rating, which is basically like turning parental controls off completely, since this removes restrictions from all your shows and movies on Netflix. Then at the bottom, you have Title Specific Restrictions option. This lets you block specific shows or movies. For example, let's type Squid Game. If we select it from here, this show will be unavailable to your kids even if the age rating allows it to be accessed. You can tap on the cross icon next to it to remove it from the block list. After you are done, hit save. And that's it. You've now changed and tightened parental control settings on Netflix using your iPhone. You've set what your child can watch, blocked any troubling titles, and you're in control. If this video helps you out, then feel free to drop a like and tell me which show your kid can watch safely next. And I'll see you in the next video.